Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer, and if you're just joining us for the first time, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And ring the bell.
And thanks to all of our returning subs. We appreciate you so much, and don't forget to give us that thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And today, we got a great recipe. You're gonna love it. So we are gonna take you back.
Yes.
And show you how it's done. All right, so we got our skillet on medium heat.
We are browning up 2 pounds of lean ground beef.
So we'll cover that and let it cook.
Then we are adding 1 packet of taco seasoning.
Mix it into the ground beef. And then
We're adding 1 can of sweet corn.
And this is drained. Adding that in.
We are adding 1 diced sweet onion.
Gotta have that sweet onion.
Exactly. 1 can of Rotel diced tomato and green chili. Stir all that together.
Looking colorful already.
That looks wonderful. In a pre-greased deep number 13 dish, we are adding 1 can of biscuits.
And we're just going to place those in the bottom of the dish.
Press them down evenly.
So somebody asked me, why do they call this John Wayne casserole? Because in 1979, he contributed this recipe to a cookbook called Cooking with Love from Kara and Her Friends. So it's really John Wayne's recipe.
I love these casseroles.
So then we'll take the meat mixture and pour it over the top. But we're not going to use the grease. We're going to leave the grease in the pan.
You get a lot of meat mixture.
Oh yeah, a lot of meat mixture in here.
Once that's spread evenly, got Steve's favorite bowl.
You love that bowl. We got 1 tub of softened cream cheese with chives.
3/4 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and a packet of ranch dressing mix into this bowl. We will blend that together.
Of course, we always modify a few things to make it our own, but, you know, like the chives and the sour cream, etc.
Yes. Look how creamy that is.
It's really creamy.
Now we will spread that evenly over the top.
And that's our next layer.
Now that's good.
This dish has a lot of flavor.
Can't wait to try this.
Wait till you guys try it.
This is going to be so good.
And then we took 1 red sweet bell pepper and we sliced it up. Now you can dice it up, slice it up, or slice ours. You could add some green chilies and, you know, make it your own. Spice it up however you like it.
And 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. But if you want more cheese, you can add more cheese. You know how we are about our cheese.
Oh yeah, we love our cheese.
We love the cheese.
I think 80% of our dishes have lots of cheese. we love our cheese around here.
1 cup of cheddar cheese.
And we're using the sharp cheddar here. You can use whatever you have on hand.
We preheated the oven to 350 degrees. We will let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes until the biscuits are done and it's bubbling.
And you don't need to cover it. We're just going to let it cook. So we will check it in just about 30 minutes.
Look at this. It's been about 30 minutes and look at it.
Look at
it's
it
done.
bubbling. Mmm, delicious.
Got so much flavor.
And it smells so good.
You can add sour cream on top.
Oh yeah. Put a dollop of that on top.
And Steve would say,
is this the best John Wayne casserole you've ever tried?
If it ain't, it ought to be.
We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them 2 girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.